Yo, what up? It's your boy Khalifa, man, and welcome to my house. Come on in, roll something, smoke something with me. I got this space like maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I got it because it was in a cut, and there's a lot of rooms for my son. I got a 5-year-old, so I wanted to make sure that he could run around and have a good time. I just felt like it was a good place for me to call home for a little bit. Blow! If you ever break in my house and you walk in, you're gonna see this and be like, oh, this is Wiz's crib. I'm not fucking with it. All right, y'all, come kick it in the game room, AKA the gang room. Let's do it. All right, so this space right here is clearly for kicking it, chilling. It's just a good vibe, you know what I mean? Come over here, you get spanked in some pool. We got the Steelers felt on top because I'm from Pittsburgh. The vinyls, we got old school Equimized on there right now. That's what Sebastian was listening to, my son. I got a lot of my plaques and stuff in here just to like commemorate the hard work that we put in and like make us put some more hard work in. This is the dab bar as well as the drink bar. Pot. We're big smokers over here, so it's a lot of smoking stuff. I have a 100-joint roller. It rolls 100 joints at one time. It'll probably take like 3 days to smoke 100 joints. Not even passing to the homies, that's just me. I love this because it's one of the bigger parts of the house, and when you walk in, you kind of just get the vibe of my son. It's just a good space because there's like different compartments, you know what I mean? He's got his play area, he's got his learning area, he's got his, imagination station over there, and then, he gets to do him. We just do it the freeway, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's lit. 2 gumballs for my guests. And that's how it works. Yeah, this is a really good part of the house as well. It feels like you're on the edge of the world, so I got a really peaceful vibe to it. Come out here, take a phone call, smoke a doob, little drink, nice ass view. Just super chill vibe. Yeah, there's a lot of pictures of me in here because I love myself. I don't even remember when I jumped like that, but my cameraman caught a good ass angle of it and he took a picture and I was like, we have to blow that up and we have to put that in my house. Because moments like that, you get them, you gotta make them last. Now we about to go down to my favorite part of the house. I showed you the gang room, showed you the playroom, but this is my baby right here. This is my favorite part of the house because it's a studio, it's a recording studio, and when you're in here, you're in your own little world. This is like a fighter jet, like it's like a little spaceship. I'm always recording, but the thing is we keep things on different hard drives, and we keep the hard drives in our person, and I don't keep them with me because I smoke weed and party all the time, so hard drive's not here, sorry. Follow me. This is actually kind of funny. We made this into a closet because I got so many like actual real clothes in my other closet. We just put a bunch of jackets and stuff. These are like some of my signature pieces, some stuff that people have given me over time, some stuff that I'm actually making. This is actually one that I'm designing. You feel me? Oh, this is my weed wall, actually. Everybody who smokes pot, you know what I mean? Snoop, Bob Marley, Jimi Hendrix, Devin the Dude. I just like to be among greatness. The living room space. I love this space because it's super chill. It's nice and wide open. It's got a very grown-up vibe. It's just a cool place to relax and get your head together. We do a lot of movie nights in the living room where there's just people like everywhere. You can come from here to the living room. It's really good. Inside, outside. Bam, you land straight at the pool area. My favorite thing about the pool is that it's heated. I could jump in there, but I don't feel like being cold. You'll never be cold in my pool. There's always music, there's always pot, there's always an adventure. This is Sebastian's trampoline. He's really proud of it. He loves it. Plays on it every day, puts his friends in there. When girls come over, he jumps on the trampoline with the girls. It is what it is. All right, so let's get to the cars. First, we got a 57 Impala right here. We got a Range Rover. We got a Kawasaki and a Ghost, Rolls Royce. Those are my son's cars. He don't really drive those that much. He's too big for that shit. He rides in my cars with me. This is my 6'4" Impala. This is my 62 Impala. This is just for like, you know, when we driving around, when we going fast, when we moving. My baby's mom actually bought me this because I was mad at her. And she wanted me to not be mad at her, so she bought me a car. I hit my switch with the right hand, so. Yeah. All right, man, it's been real fun having you guys over, but I got shit to do, so peace out. Thank you for rocking with me, Taylor Gang. I'll see y'all later. Have fun. Be safe.